Hi Practical Scrappers, this is Christine here this week to teach you a couple of ideas to make applying rub-ons a little bit easier for you. As most of us have experienced, rub-ons can be a pain to apply. Sometimes they don't come off easily, it's time consuming, and it's definitely not foolproof. One of the ways that I have recently discovered that makes applying rub-ons easier is to actually use my Cuttlebug. Now this will work with a Sizzix machine, Spellbinder's machine, any of those die cut machines that put a lot of pressure down on stuff. What you do is you take your rub-on, set it onto your paper where you would like it, and then you're going to put together your layer for your Cuttlebugs. Now, I put an embossing folder in. I'm not actually putting anything in it, I'm just using it for added thickness. So I just set that on top of the bottom folder. And then I set my paper and rub-on on top, sandwich it all together, and run it through. And then you'll take it out, and you will see perfect placement for the rub-on. No mistakes, nowhere that the rub-on slightly moved. A nice, easy way to make an application. One of the other ways that I've recently discovered to use my rub-ons is to put them on ribbon. And I always get kind of tired of the lack of selection of ribbon, so I'm always out for a new way to make my ribbon look even better. And just different from everybody else, of course. What I have done, and you can see this actually on my layout this week too, is I have a border rub-on and then I have some gross grain ribbon. I haven't tried it with smooth ribbon. I assume it would work because rub-ons are pretty forgiving about different smooth or rough surfaces. So then I just set it in, and same process as I just did. Obviously I can't get the entire ribbon through at once, so it's going to have to go through twice. And it does work with the popsicle stick. I've done it with the popsicle stick. It's just a lot more work. Okay, so I'm going to take it out and flip it around. Send it through so I get the other side. And you've got a ribbon with your rub-ons applied. Nice, easy way to jazz up your ribbon. Nice, easier way to use a rub-on, especially for cards when they're that size that will easily fit through your Cuttlebug machine. Hope this has helped you learn a couple new things. Have a great Easter weekend. We'll see you next week.